Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video series on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. In today's digital world, customers expect personalized experience at every touchpoint, whether it's email, SMS, social media, or even on a website. And that's exactly what Salesforce Marketing Cloud help us to deliver. Throughout this series, we'll explore how business can use Marketing Cloud to build end-to-end customer journeys, automation, campaign, and track engagement with powerful initiatives. We'll start with the basic understanding to the platform and its key feature and then move into more advanced topic like Journey Builder, Automation Studio, Email Studio, Mobile Studio, and how it all connected with Salesforce CRM. By the end of this series, you will have a solid understanding of how to use Marketing Cloud not just as a tool but as a strategy to drive meaningful customer engagement and business growth. So stay tuned and subscribe if you have not already, and let's begin this exciting journey into a Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So stay tuned.